All right, today we've got a 2018 Malibu in the shop, 1.5 turbo direct injection engine for a GDI Walnut blasting service. This vehicle had a P0300 random misfire and a P050D rough idle on startup code. The customer did complain of some rough running when the vehicle was started. What we found here is that we've got the usual carbon buildup problem from the gasoline direct injection. This is cylinder 2 intake valve. You can see all of that carbon built up on there. And here is cylinder 1, which we just finished doing here with the Walnut blaster. And you can see how nice that comes out, completely eliminates all that carbon buildup, and we'll get this engine back to running as it should.